Hello dear students, let us understand this example which is based on properties of parallelogram. So here it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A is given to be 70 degrees and we need to find the remaining angles of the parallelogram. So let us draw the parallelogram. So here it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram and this angle A is given to be 70 degree and we need to find out the remaining angles. So what is given? First we write down given parallelogram ABCD and angle A is 70 degrees. To find, we need to find the remaining angles. That means angle B, angle C and angle D. So let us see how we can do this. Now you know that in a parallelogram, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. So here we are going to use this fact. So BC is parallel to AD and AB is transversal. So BC is parallel to AD and AB is transversal. So do you see a relationship between angle A and angle B? Yes, this you have done in your chapter parallel lines and transversal. Yes, interior angles on the same side of the transversal, they are supplementary. So we will write here angle A plus angle B equals 180 degrees, or we can write it here co-interior angles are supplementary. Right? Reasoning is important. So here we will substitute the value of angle A. So we get angle B now. 180 minus 70, that is 110 degrees. Now you can simply use the properties of this parallelogram. We know that opposite angles of a parallelogram, they are equal. So angle B is equal to angle D. So what is angle B? B we have already found, that is angle B is 110 degrees. So we can write here angle B is equal to angle D. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So angle D will also be 110 degrees. Similarly, you can write here angle C is equal to angle A. These are also opposite angles of parallelogram. So it is simple to find out angle C now. Angle A is given to be 70 degrees. So what will be angle C? Angle C is also 70 degrees. So we have found the answers. So what is the final answer? Answer is angle B is 110 degrees, angle C is 70 degrees and angle D is 110 degrees. Right? So here we have used which properties? Just recall. Yes, we have used two basic results. First one is angles on the same side of transversal, they are supplementary. And the second we have used opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. I hope this is clear to you. So I am giving you one question now that you are going to solve. So here just consider this parallelogram. Draw this in your notebook. Here it is PQRS, right? And here angle Q is given to be 130 degrees and you have to find the remaining angles of the parallelogram. Right? I hope you have understood. Here in this figure, angle Q is 130 degrees. PQRS is a parallelogram. Find the remaining angles of the parallelogram. Do this one and just let me know what is your answer.